everybody, my name's Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Today we're back with another Halloween video. We're going to be using a technique that I've used before in resin, which is temporary tattoos in resin. And I thought since it's Halloween, let's get kind of gross. And I've got these spooky like scars and slashes and zombie temporary tattoos. So I thought let's put those in resin and make some spooky, I guess, hunk of flesh type coasters. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is my mold. I've dusted some red marker around the edges just to give it a bit more of a, like it's been a hunked out chunk of flesh. Now for skin tone, I'm just going to go with my skin tone because that's the one I can most easily replicate. And then I guess with each coaster, darken it just a little bit to be a little bit more representative. But I put it in this empty picture frame so that I can move it out of the way easily. So I'm just going to check to see whether it's level and then start mixing up my resin. Okay, so I've done my best to replicate an array of skin tones. I'm going to babysit it a little bit and pop some bubbles with the barbecue lighter. I can't believe it took me so long to buy one of those. But yes, I'm going to babysit this for a bit and then put something over top of it so that no fingers can touch. Okay, it's the next day and I'm so excited to see how these hunk of flesh coasters turned out. Sorry, I haven't brushed my hair. I don't wear makeup. I'm not one of those YouTubey people that gets pretty for people. This is me. This is how you get me. Right. I'm so excited for this hunk of flesh coasters. So let's open them. Okay, I put this on top to keep little fingers out and to keep the dust off. And I use these little pots just to keep it off. This. Oh, they look so cool so far. I haven't flipped them over. I don't want to flip them over yet because I'm just so excited. So I poured this one first. This one is very close to my own skin tone. So let's do this one first. I'm going to put it down like this because I want to get all of them out first. So far none of the tattoos have stuck to the mould, which means they're all in the resin itself. And we're going to seal the tattoos in with UV resin, but for right now we're just going to unmould and have a look. Put that over there. Alright, so the first one. That looks like a hunk of flesh. That's so cool. Alright, next one. Oh, that is so cool. This one. Wow. These look so much better than what I thought they would, and the dusting around the edge just gives it that sort of gore factor I was looking for. And let's just hope the algorithm doesn't flag this as actual blood and stuff. Oh, that one's really different. Can you see this one? Let me turn the light down. Can you see it? This one's kind of hard to see. There we go. This is so cool. Okay, so the next step is to seal these with UV resin. And those were my monster meat flesh coasters. I think this one here, this one is my favorite, but they all look really cool. I'm like really excited about how they turned out. So perfect for your Halloween themed feast, or just in general if this is just your vibe. So this is the third in our series of 5 Halloween themed videos. So come back next week for another spooky video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Thumbs up, thumbs down, you do you. Please our overlords, welcome to all of our new friends, and I will see you next time. Bye.